I'll show you how to log in with your Airbnb account with your Google Gmail. So you're gonna first have to go and log in into your email from the browser, Chrome, and then you introduce your password. If you log in for the first time, it might ask you a code a confirmation code that you're gonna be sent to your phone or mine. Okay, so we logged in right now, as you see, and then you go to airbnb.co.uk and you select login with Google. And then it will give you you press the email that you need to use, and it will give you the option of logging in. Now you have host over here, so you can go and see your calendar, reservation, and listings. Okay, I'll press the listings, and then scroll up and down, and you see your listings available. So your apartment is English Street, Central London. That I will gonna make it live. Okay, you can go and play with the listing, change the photos, change the descriptions, booking settings. Okay, pricing and all the rest. And then you can go to calendar and as well choose the same listings and see when it's available and when it's not. Let me just choose it right now for you. It says this one, English Street, Central London. Okay, at the moment the calendar is blocked, but it can be easily unblocked if you press the day that you want to unblock. For example, 1st of August, you mark it as available. You can change the price. For example, you want to add it 150. And so let me just go back, and you press yes, or the 2nd available, and let's say 125, and you press save. And then it shows you 125. You can do multiple. You just double click, and then you keep it, you scroll down, and available, let's say 110, save.